Good evening, everyone. I, Shikha Dogra, on behalf of the entire CSRBOX and IBM SkillsBuild team, welcome all the Pan-India University students, various department faculties, and HODs to Data Analytics Internship Program 2023. Amongst us, we have Ms. Anjali, your speaker for today's orientation session. Talking about Anjali's background, Anjali has done graduation from Chitkara University and master's from JNU Delhi. She has worked within Forces and American Indian Foundation and currently is working with CSRBOX in capacity of Associate Consultant Digital Skills. We welcome you, Anjali, and yeah, over to you. Anjali, you are on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, Anjali, you're audible now.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Thank you, Shikha, for that warm welcome. So, yeah, I'm very excited to meet you all and have today's session. I welcome you all to Data Analytics Internship. Thank you so much for participating. Your participation itself actually shows your seriousness or a step, to learn more, to upskill yourself, to build your skill. So thanks a lot for participating. And I'm sure this would be a journey of learning. This would be a journey of exploring your own interest in this field. So yeah, I just encourage you all to make the most of all the sessions. And I am sure all of you must be excited. Some of you must be having various doubts. Some of you may be, confused about how it is going to be. What are we going to do? How am I going to get a participation certificate? Let me first know, what are your expectations from this internship? Before I start explaining about internship, I would just like to know about your expectation. Maybe just a word or two. Please maintain the decorum and use the chat box for just helping each other and addressing the doubt, yeah, or asking your queries. Okay, great. Okay, Pragati is writing skill, Vaibhav is writing career development, learning. Okay, great. Okay. Meanwhile, I just request my team to please make me co-host. Yeah. Okay. Ashrita is writing skill. Okay. Omkar is writing exploring new skills. Shagun is writing resume upgradation. Very good, Shagun. Okay. A lot of you are writing, adding on the resume. Okay. Learning new things, upgrading. Okay. Wow. That's really, really very good. And that's actually very encouraging for me as well. Seeing your excitement, I can just see the chat box full. Okay. Stipend. Okay. All right. Learn about experience, knowledge, skill, ability. Thank you, Ankit. Okay, that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for your response. You can stop responding in the chat box. I just wanted to, I know all of you are excited and are willing to learn and, just waiting for the things to open up. But yes, I just wanted to hear from you all. Thanks a lot, Pallavi. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing your views on your expectation from this internship. And a lot of you have written a very common point, which is about skill. And that is very true. This internship, I'm sure, will give you, not just a learning opportunity, but also an exposure to upgrade yourself, to upskill yourself for the future prospects. So let us start about, this internship, and let us start understanding more and dive deep into what this internship is going to be, how you are going to be benefited, and yes, what is it going to offer you all. So I'm just going to share my screen. So just wait for a few seconds. Yeah. Yes. Can you all see my screen? You can just respond in the chat box, yes, no. Okay. All right. Thank you, Shailaja. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So I also want to mention before starting this internship, students, that in between, I would be asking a few questions from all of you, and I want all of you to be attentive. That will also give us an idea and help us to make note of those students who are actually very attentively listening to everything that we are saying. And I'm sure if you will listen carefully and pay attention, we are going to clear all your doubts. We are going to address all your queries, and we'll be very happy to address in the end as well. So please listen to this session very carefully. You'll get to know all the steps that need to be taken by all the interns of this program. Yes. So let us start about data analytics internship program. So what this program is going to offer. So today's agenda is actually about explaining you about IBM SkillsBuild program, what this program is, and how we are going to make use of SkillsBuild platform. And apart from that, I'm going to explain about data analytics internship program, important elements, and then I will give you a walkthrough of IBM SkillsBuild platform learning activity. This is very crucial session and very crucial stage. Later on, I'm going to explain about the third point. So let us start about this program. First of all, what is SkillsBuild? SkillsBuild is a digital learning platform where all the interns of this program are going to attend the learning courses, various courses of data analytics field, which will help you to upskill yourself on this program. And then I will also explain what are, something which is really, really like huge benefit of attending those courses on this platform called SkillsBuild. This will also help you to get certifications and digital badges from this platform on the topic data analytics. And apart from that, I will also give you a walkthrough of how this is going to be, how it will look like, how are we going to do it. And then it is very much functional on your mobile phones as well. It is optimized, and you can use it not just on your laptop, even on your mobile phones. I'm sure a lot of you must be attending from not just from your laptop, but even from your mobile phones as well. So yes, that is about SkillsBuild. Now let us learn about what is data analytics program. All of you mentioned that skill, and it will help you to enhance my skill, add something to my resume, career development. So yeah, so what are we going to do in this program? So first of all, in this program, I thank all of you to participating in small teams. Now, what are those small teams going to do? There is a team leader, right? That has been appointed by the team itself, that has been decided, or we can say spoke. Now, all of you will be sharing the important details, like for example, when are the sessions going to be conducted, what are important assignments you need to work on, and then how are you going to do in this internship, and then how are we going to end this internship. What are important learnings that you are going to get from this internship are, of course, Python, data visualization, design thinking, and you are also going to learn about machine learning concepts, which will be very important in data analytics as well as data science field. I am sure a lot of you must be aspiring to become either a data scientist or data analyst, right? So you are not just going to learn about these concepts, you are also going to get in touch with the industrial experts who will not just teach you these concepts, okay, who are also going to tell you out of their own experience. If Python, what are those important concepts of Python that you really, really need to be good at? If machine learning, what are those important algorithms that you need to learn? And not just that, it is not always enough to learn from your book, right? It is also from someone's personal life and their experience. You are going to learn more from their own exposure. So it will give you that exposure to get in touch with the experts and mentors and get, mentored by them and get taught by them. Apart from that, definitely it will give you the skill which will really help you later on for placements and internship. And that is, placement is also one important module of this internship program that I am going to explain in later upcoming slides. So yes, and apart from that, you will get placement assistance as well under this program. Now, a lot of you must be thinking about how this internship will flow like. We have told you that it is a 6-week virtual mode internship, but how is it going to flow? First of all, today is the orientation session, right? Where we are going to tell you the important elements, important steps to be taken, and how we are going to have sessions in the upcoming weeks. After that, you will have self-paced learning. What is this self-paced learning? I will share a list of, I will share a link which will have courses which are important for data analytics, and which all of you, it is compulsory for all of you to finish those courses. We will have master classes. Who will take those master classes? Of course, who are very well experienced, will be having more than 5 years, 10 years experience in these fields, and they will be subject experts. You will learn from them. You will learn not just the topics, even from their experience. Then there will be mentoring sessions. Who will be mentoring all of you, all the interns? There will be IBM employees as well as other industrial experts who are good in this data analytics field or data scientists. And then all of you will work on deliverables. What are deliverables? We are calling it, all of you have participated in internship, right? So all of you also need to work on small assignments, which I am going to explain you and make it simple so that all of you will be able to do it. And then all of you will be able to successfully complete this and get an internship certificate as well. After that, there will be a pitch night. What is this pitch night? There will be, so like I explained, all of you will work on small assignments and projects. After that, all of you need to present those in teams to the experts and to the mentors, as well as to our team, where we will finalize which teams are performing well, who is second, who is first, who is third. And then we will also give them exclusive prizes. And you will also get a chance to participate in IBM's annual showcase event, which will happen in Delhi. All of this will be sponsored by IBM. So that is a little bit about this internship. Now, all of you must be thinking, okay, what do I need to do? There will be sessions, like ma'am explained, there will be master classes, there will be deliverables, but then I am going to explain you few important elements. And this internship is going to be conducted in various stages. First of all, stage 1. I want all of you to be very attentive and pay attention to this stage, because it is not just about completing this internship. It is also coming with huge benefits. I am going to explain you what are those benefits. Those benefits are linked to placement, as well as those benefits are also linked to mentoring. So let me explain. First is stage 1. What is stage 1? This is very crucial and most important stage apart from other stages of this internship. What is stage 1? In stage 1, there will be a list of courses, and there will be one link that I will share in the upcoming slides, as well as we will share in the WhatsApp group and also on your email. You need to complete these activities on the platform. After completing, also you need to submit the concept note. Now, ma'am, if I am completing all these activities on the platform, I am also completing the assignment, which will be just 1 page or 2 page, and then later on submitting my PPT with my explaining about my idea, about my project, then how are we going to get benefited? So there are various benefits which are joined to this stage 1. First of all, if you will do these courses, very important, I am stressing on this point because this is extremely important. You have to finish this list of course, which I will just share it with you, a link. It's just a link. You just have to open that link and finish a few courses. And that is a crucial point to element of completing this internship. And also then concept note. If you will do this, you will get a chance to be mentored by IBM employees. First benefit, you will get a chance to be mentored by IBM employees. And the second is, suppose you have an idea. I want to work on COVID prediction model. Okay. Some of you are not sure what kind of algorithm I should use, or some of you have find out some data, okay, from government, from hospital, or from Kaggle. You have worked on various data sets, but you are not sure. So you will get a chance to interact with IBM employees, share your idea with them, get some suggestions, their feedback, and also from other industrial experts, and then work on that project more, right? All of us need guidance. So that is one benefit of finishing this course on the platform, and also submitting your concept note. And the second benefit is, all those students who will finish the courses on the platform and who will work on the deliverables, which is assignment and PPT containing the screenshot of all the running dashboards. you will be given an opportunity of placement assistance and placement connection. I am also going to explain you there is another module, another scheme which is called program, which is called Jeevitam program. All those students, I want you to be attentive, all those students who will finish the courses on the platform and who will submit the concept note, you will get a chance of placement connection and assistance, which we call as Jeevitam. Just like how we are calling this program as Skills Build or Data Analytics Internship. Similarly, there's a program for assistance called Jeevitam. And also, you will get a chance to be mentored by the employees. So I know that there are more than 8,000 plus students who have participated in internship. In fact, 12,000 plus. And then there are more than 250 plus institutes who have participated. How are we going to filter? We are not going to give certificates to all of you. If all of you will do this, all of you will get the certificates. So how are we going to filter is, first, you have to finish the courses and then you have to work on the concept note and the final PPT containing the few screenshots of your project. Yes. So that is a little bit about this program. Now, what is stage 2? Obviously, if you will do this, then you will be allocated mentors. We will allocate mentor to every team and you will also interact with those experts. Then what else? You have to attend all the master classes and mentoring sessions. In the end, the stage 3 obviously will be, we will finalize which team has won this, which team has performed well in the pitch night where they will present their presentation. And also we will give placement assistance. That is a little bit about this internship and the various stages. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes, there will be a PPT for the one team. There will be just one PPT. I will address all your queries in the end. So please be patient. Yeah. But thanks for being attentive. Now, what are other important elements? Like I already shared, there will be self-paced learning. There will be a list of courses which is compulsory to complete. Then there will be master classes, which like today we have orientation session. Every week we will have master class, 4 master class, which all of you have to attend. Team leaders, please encourage your team members to attend. And that because we will take attendance as well. And that will give us an idea of who completed this internship. Then all of you have to work on deliverables, which will be submitted in 3 phases. I will explain when. Then all of you have to finish these courses to get mentoring as well as placement connection and opportunities. And then all of you will get badges and certificates. And of course, the placement assistance program, where we will also help you to upload your resumes on a particular portal after you meet all this criteria and then be eligible for applying. Now, these are a few pictures that we have taken of last showcase event where the students got an opportunity to participate in IBM's annual showcase event, which happened in Delhi. This year also, it will happen on 10th of October. All of you, whosoever will perform well among all of you, will get an opportunity. The best performing teams will get an opportunity to participate in this event. So yes. Now, this is about placement connection and assistance. So yes, it is not just offering you learning opportunity, but also other opportunities as well, which is placement and internship opportunities. So under this Jeevitam program, we have till now, we have more than 70,000 opportunities lined up. And more than 18,000 students or interns like you have been benefited under this program, SkillsBuild program. Yes. And apart from that, we have 41,000 plus interviews which we have already completed. So yes, so I just encourage all of you. I am sure these all nuggets, all these will be acting, something to make you work hard and work on this. Yes. Now let us go to the next slide. So yeah, so this is just a little bit more about this internship program. So yes, and these badges will be globally certified, not just in India, even outside India. So that is one big advantage of this certificates and badges. So if you want to study abroad or if you want to even, maybe apply for work abroad, these certificates and badges are not just valid or recognized in India, even outside India. Why? Because IBM is a MNC, right? It is headquartered in New York. It is a giant tech company. So yeah, so it is recognized globally. And yes, and like I shared, you will have project-based learning. Then there will be placement assistance, and then there will be mentoring session. Apart from that, yes. So this will go from 19th to 20th July over a span of 6 weeks. So yes, this also I think I have explained that you will learn about data analytics skills and other nuances, Python and machine learning, and you will also connect and compete with various students all across the country at national level. You will also get mentored by industrial experts and interact with them, network with them, and you will get IBM badges. Like I said, internship certificates. I am also going to share how your certificate will look like if you will just meet all those criteria which are important. And then I am sure all of you will be able to do it if you will just follow our instructions that we will be sharing today, as well as on WhatsApp and over your email. So just be attentive and just just go step by step, follow those instructions. I am sure all of you will be able to complete this. Yeah. So yes, apart from that, so just be active on WhatsApp as well and check what are we asking you all to do. Yes, so there will be, like I said, it is over a span of 6 weeks, right? Now, what are we going to do in first week? Today is the first, it starts from today. So week 1, where we are having a session today, orientation session. Then we will also address your questions and answers. I will also share a plan, which is learning activity plan, which you have to finish in 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, not more than that. I would encourage you all from today onwards. We will share a link by the end of this session. I encourage all of you to finish those important courses. I will give you a walkthrough of that as well in the upcoming slides. So finish those courses in these 2 weeks. These 2 to 3 weeks are enough. And then we will allocate mentors based on your completion of those activities. After that, week 2 will be masterclass 1, week 3, 2, week 4, masterclass 3, week 5, masterclass 4. Then there will be a small concept note. Now, what is this concept note? I will explain in the upcoming slides. It will be just 1-pager or 2-pager concept note. So all of you can work on that as teams. All of you will be working in this, apart from just attending the sessions individually, all other things will be taken care in teams. So yes, so be it your assignment or be it your final PPT, all of you will work in teams and submit in teams, not individually. But all the team members have to attend the sessions. That is compulsory. Yeah. Now, yes, so there will be mentor allocation as well. There will be 3 deliverable students, all the interns. So first is concept note. For example, you want to create like for example, you want to create a COVID prediction model. So that is the objective of your concept. What are you going to use? What is the rationale behind it? Obviously, because you want to predict COVID, whether it will happen or not, on what scale, in which region. Then what are the data sets you are going to use? What are the applications of software? Some of you might be using Python, machine learning, or what are the libraries? Like there are various libraries, right? Matplotlib, NumPy, all those libraries, pandas. And we will explain. I don't want all of you to panic. Some of you might be from non-technical background as well. Please do not worry, do not panic. We will have the sessions, all the master classes, which will start from next week. It will start from basic, it will go to advanced. You just need to be attentive and pay attention. I am sure you'll be able to learn. So yes, just be active. And yeah, apart from that, then you have to work on those concept notes. Just write a 1-pager, 2-pager concept note. And what will be your input? What will be your outcome? What are you doing? What are the important algorithms you are going to use? I will give you a sample as well of a concept note. You can just learn from it how you are going to present and then work on it as a team and submit as a team. One or 2-pager sample note. Yes. Then all of you have to submit deliverable 2 will be your progress report. Every team leader has to submit a progress report of his entire team, that my team has finished its courses on the platform. So that is important. Farheen has raised her hand. Okay. Farheen, can we put the certificate under work? Yes, you can put the certificate under work experience. No, not under work experience. You cannot put under work experience, but yes, under certifications option in your resume, you can definitely put this. Or under internship option, you can put this. Yes, I will address your queries in some time. Yeah. And then there will be deliverable 3 will be final PPT. So 3 things. First, concept note. I will ask you all in some time, what did I tell you about to be eligible for placement? What did I tell you to be eligible for, mentoring? So I want all of you to answer those questions. Okay. So yes, so please listen to me. Then I'll ask all of you just to see whether all of you are attentive or not. And then we can go ahead. So all of you will be on the same page. Then only it will be good. Yeah. Then progress report and data set. Then the last deliverable will be, what is progress report? Obviously, the team leader has to tell that all my team members have finished the courses on the platform, ma'am, and we have submitted the deliverables. Final will be the PPT. And also, for example, if you are trying to have a project like COVID prediction model, okay, you might be using SQL, you might be using some other maybe software, right? Or you might be using some application. You can just give a screenshot of those applications, how you are going to use it, or a pie chart or data visualization of your data in the PPTs and present it on final pitch night. So that is one requirement. So these are 3 deliverables. Now let me ask just question. I just want to hear from you all that what are the requirements to get mentors? What are the requirements for allocating mentors to a team? I want you to type in the chat box. Finish courses. Okay. What else? Deliverables. Very good. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Great. Okay. Thanks, Manish. Thanks, Bhaskar. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you, Sanika. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Okay. What are the requirements for getting the certificate of internship? I want all of you to type it in the chat box. Final certificate, how will you get it? Complete project and presentation. Okay. Okay. Great. Complete courses. Yes. Yes. Right. Okay. All right. Finally, what are the requirements for receiving the placement and internship opportunities? Or we can say placement connection or placement assistance under Jeevitam. What are the important requirements? Courses, stage 1 completion. Great, Sarthak. Thank you so much. Yes. Whichever teams perform well. Okay. All right. Nikita, course and concept note. Yes. Yes. Yes, you are right. Yes. So the important criteria is you should complete the course on the platform and then you should submit your deliverables. Okay. And you should obviously be attentive till end and we will give you those opportunities. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Let us start. Yeah, let us go to the next slide. Thank you so much. Okay. So deliverable 1, which you have to submit in the 3rd week, because by that time you will also be done with the courses. So what is deliverable 1? Concept note. Like I already shared, you have to write the objective. We will also share a sample concept note. So please don't panic. If you don't get it properly or clearly, you can go through the concept note. If you want me to share my screen, in the end, I can show you as well how that sample note will look like. But or we will share in the WhatsApp group or over your email those concept note, how you are going to work on it, what is the objective, what is the rationale, why you want to work on this idea. It could be any idea that you want to work on. For example, optimizing agricultural productivity by understanding soil condition and climate condition, right? So you will collect the data from Kaggle. You will use methodology, various methodologies, like you will use clustering algorithm, regression algorithm. You will learn about these concepts if you don't know in the upcoming master classes. So yes, so don't worry about that. Then apart from that, you will also learn about what are the data. You will mention what are the data you are going to use, from which source you are going to use, and the methodology. What is deliverable to? Your team leader or the spoke has to submit all the final course completion report of that all your team has completed this course in week 5. And also apart from that, you will also have to start working during that phase on your dashboard, or we can say on your maybe software or on your application. simultaneously working on the final PPT that you will present to all of us. Yes. So that is a little bit about the deliverables. Now, these are the master classes. I am sure all of you must be waiting for this. What are we going to learn? We are going to start from basic. I also encourage you all to, we will also take attendance of this session by the end. So please stay active and just attend this session completely. So yes, so masterclass 1. What is masterclass 1? Introduction to data analytics, where we will explain about the overview of data science, stages of data analysis, data exploration, data cleaning. You will learn all these concepts right from the basics. An industrial expert will take this session. And then you will have masterclass 2, data analysis using Python, where they will explain out of, like, all of you must be learning Python right from A to Z, right? But what are those important concepts which will actually be used in the industry from entire entire Python? And what are those concepts that you really need to focus on, which will help you on a longer run? You are going to learn it from the expert. Then we have machine learning for data science and analytics, where they will explain various other concepts related to machine learning, supervised, unsupervised. What are they? How can we use it? They will also show you a hands-on of it, so you can learn from them. And then last will be data visualization, and also how you can use various libraries in Python to visualize data. For example, you have already collected data, cleaned the entire data, removed the inconsistent data. What will you do after that? You are going to present it in the form of tables, in the form of pie charts, in the form of graph. What are the libraries you can use in Python? Matplotlib, there are various libraries that you can use. So the expert will also explain you about this and also give you a hands-on of that. You can learn from them. After that, you can also, if you have any query related to your career or related to any doubts related to these concepts, you can address them from the experts. And yes, that is a little bit. So what are the requisites of the data analytics internship program student, and also the placement opportunities? First of all, obviously, like all of you have already answered, completion of assigned courses on the SkillsBuild platform. I will share the link in some time. You have to submit the deliverable, then only you will be eligible for Jeevitam placement connection, and you have to be regular in all the master classes and mentor meetings. Yeah. So yes, so now all of you will get, when you, if you will meet all those criteria, you will follow the instructions step by step. It might be overwhelming for all of you at this point. Just follow step by step. Be active on WhatsApp. Keep a check on WhatsApp. What are the instructions we are giving you? Keep a check on this session as well. And you know what are the takeaways, and then work on them. By the end of this internship, over a span of 6 weeks, following the steps, you will get this certificate of internship, which will not just help you to enhance your skill and learn, but also if you're applying for other jobs, it will definitely help you and give you an edge over other applicants as well, that you have already done an internship on data analytics. And this is a trending field, right? This is a field which is very much known these days and very much trending in the job market, data science, data analytics. So it will definitely give you an edge over other applicants. And yes, so this is how your certificate will look like. You can have a look, you can see how it will be by the end of this internship. So all of you who will be submitting their deliverables and completing courses will get this certificate, and the final team which will perform well in the pitch night will get an award prize, and also a few teams, and also chance to travel for the showcase event. Now, all of you must be thinking, since like so long I am saying complete the courses, complete your courses. What are those courses? Now let me explain this to you. We will share this link after giving you a walkthrough of an activity, not now. So I will share this link, which you can see right now on the screen, bit.ly data analytics plan. You have to finish this plan on SkillsBuild platform. How this plan will look like, you can, all of you can see CSRBOX data analytics internship plan. Now, let us learn how it will look like. Okay. First of all, there will be section 1 when you will click on this link. What is this section 1? There will be 3 courses. All of you can see data fundamentals, data analysis by Khan Academy, data analysis with Python. It is compulsory for all of you to finish all these 3 courses. That is section 1. Okay. After this, you can utilize this week to finish all these 3 courses. Okay. You can easily do it. And then you have section 2. What is section 2? You don't have to finish all the courses that are there in section 2. There are around 4 courses. You just have to finish 2 courses out of these 4 courses. So it's not a big task. If you take it like, if you start from this week, you will be easily able to do it and finish this course. So complete those 2 courses out of these 4. After that, you have to complete one, only one. In section 3, just one out of these 3 activities that I'm showing you right now. Now, if you are going to do first all these 3 in the first section, then 2 in the second section, and then 1 in the third section, you will complete this course. You will be eligible for placement assistance as well as mentoring opportunity. So please finish these courses. We will share this link in some time. If you want me to show on the platform, I can show that as well. Yeah. Now let us give for today's session, students, all the interns, we are going to just explain and we are going to just give you a sample of how to attend the activities on the platform, a sample activity. And this activity is on design thinking. And I am sure it will also help you in general as well, both for machine learning concepts as well as data analytics application. So yes, so all of you will receive a digital, those of you who are already logged in on SkillsBuild platform, just click on the link and I will give you the steps. Just, stay on the home page. And those who are not logged in, who have never registered on this platform, follow the steps with me and just follow step by step and you'll be able to, you'll get to know how to do it. So yes, so we will today attend this activity, Agile Meets Design Thinking, Coursera. So let us start this, students. I just request my team, you can either scan this QR code or click on this link. This link, my team will just share in some time. I just request my team to share this link, self-registration link. So you can click on this link or you can scan this QR code through your mobile phone through Google Lens or any other software which is used to scan. Yeah, thanks, Ria. Yes. So the link is already there in the chat box. Please click on that link. Ayush, we will explain in some time about the progress report. Yeah. Yes, every team member has to finish those courses. Yes, we will. Yeah. So please click on this link for now. Please focus on this part right now. This is compulsory and we will use this to track your progress and also to know how many of you attended today's session. So please finish this activity. This is compulsory for now. Yes, please finish this activity. I am typing the link once again. Click on this link in the chat box. Please click on this link or scan the QR code. I hope all of you are done. Follow the steps with me. Yes. Okay. Now let us go to the next step. Sign up with Google. First option, sign up with Google. Click on that and then select your personal email ID. Any email ID, which is your personal email ID, just select that. After that, you have to just fill 4 things. What are those 4 things? Your first name, your family name or your last name, your country, obviously India, and then your location. Your location will be, if you're from Delhi, it will be Delhi. If you are from any other city, you can mention, or state, you can mention that, your state name. In location, you will fill your state name. Like from Telangana, if you're from Telangana, you can mention Telangana. If you're from Madhya Pradesh, you can mention Madhya Pradesh. If you're from Odisha, you can mention that. If you're from Delhi, you can mention that. So fill these 4 details and then directly jump to terms and conditions section. I hope all of you are done till now. Yes. Now let us go to the next section. Just go to terms and conditions, students. Please go to terms and condition. Do not do anything under additional information section for now. Just go to terms and condition. Yes. And click on submit, blue button. After clicking on submit, select your preferred language, English. Just click on continue. Please click on continue. Please click on continue. Yes. Please click on continue and then click on next. Kindly click on next. Next, and then click on done. You don't need to do anything for now in these sections. The platform itself already has artificial intelligence feature. So for now, just click on next and click on done. This is compulsory activity, students. For today's session, just click this. We will use it to track your progress. And it is also a sample activity for all of you to understand how to navigate through this platform. And those of you who are already registered, just stay on the home page and follow the other steps. Yeah. Click on done and then click on cancel and click on skip tutorials. Kindly click on cancel and click on skip tutorials. Please click on skip tutorial. Yes, I can explain, Sakshi. Yeah. So once you have scanned the QR code, sign up with Google, your personal email ID, your first name, your last name, country India, your state, which will come in location. Location, if it's Telangana, Telangana, if it's Delhi, Delhi. If it's any other state, please mention that and then directly go to terms and conditions. Don't do anything, just go to terms and conditions. After going to terms and conditions, click on all three checkbox. All three checkbox. Please click on that. All three checkboxes and click on blue button submit. Please click on blue button, which is submit. Okay. Click on blue button, submit. Please click on blue button, which is submit. Yes. After clicking on submit, click on continue. Please click on continue and then click on next. Select your area of interest. Please click on next. After clicking on next, please click on done. After clicking on done, please click on cancel. Please click on cancel and then click on skip tutorials. That's okay. Just click on next. Okay. Yeah. Click on next. After that, you will get a home page. How many of you have got the home page? Can you please type in the chat box so that I will know that you are there? Okay, great. A lot of you have got it. Okay. Thank you so much. Harsha, Shubham, Bharat. I just encourage all the interns who are participating in this program. Please ensure that you are doing this activity and just follow all the steps, all the instructions. And also encourage your teammates as well to do this for the successful completion of this internship. We will also take your attendance in some time. So for now, just follow these instructions. Yes. Now, click on search option, students. Please click on search option. Kindly click on search option. Kindly click on search option and type, just a minute, type agile design. Just a minute. Type agile design. Can you please type while searching agile design? I'll just type in the chat box. If you do not know the spelling, you can also see on the screen agile design spelling. Yes, very good. Okay. Thanks for sharing. I will repeat the process in some time. Okay. Please use the chat box only for asking your questions. If you're using it for any other means, we have to remove you and we have to cancel your participation in this internship. So please be very careful. Yeah, so this is agile design. I am just typing in the chat box. Yes, you can use this Agile Design. AGILE Design. Please type this in the search option and then click on search. Please click on search. After clicking on search, all of you will see this option, Agile meets Design Thinking Coursera, 9 hours activity, right? Please click on that. Please click on that. Agile meets Design Thinking, this learning activity, which is for 9 hours. Please click on that. And then click on Mark Complete. Why I am making you do this? Why have we enabled this option? Just to give you a sample and to track your progress for today's session. Only for that. So, and if you want to explore this, you can explore this as well, because design thinking is also one of the modules of this internship. Yes. So please click on Mark Complete and then click on Submit, which is a blue button. Submit. It will ask you for duration. Please do not make any changes. Just click on Submit. Do not make any changes. Just follow the steps that we are saying. Mark Complete and then Submit. On search, you have to type Agile Design. I have mentioned in the chat box as well, the spelling. Yeah. Click on Submit. After clicking on Submit, all of you will see 3 dots, right? Just a minute. All of you will see 3 dots, right? 3 dots on your platform. Can you all see on the learning activity? 3 dots. Those 3 dots, just click on that. And those of you who have logged in from the laptop, just click on Actions. If you are not from mobile phone, those who are doing it from mobile phone, just click on these 3 dots of the learning activity and you will see a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, please click on first option, View Completion Certificate. Those who are clicking on Actions, after opening this activity on your laptop, just click on View Completion Certificate. And then you will get a certificate like this. How many of you have got a certificate like this? May I please know? Got it. Hemant, Dominic, Pragati, Pavan, Arshia. Okay, great. Neelam, Monalisa, Tanisha, Kaushik, Vidhi. Very good. Okay, that also gives me an indication that all of you are following all the steps and instructions that we are giving you. Very good. Yes, I can explain this process one more time. I can see also a lot of hands raised up. Please be patient. I will definitely address your queries. If it is related to current activity, you can just type it in the chat box. We'll address your queries. If it is related to the certificate of completion that we are doing right now. Okay. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to do this activity. I want you all, those of you who could not do it or who missed any point, just pay attention and then do it simultaneously. Okay, I will just, that's okay. If your surname is incorrect, that's okay. You might have typed those information in your Google login or account. Okay, let me give you just a quick walkthrough of this. Once again, those who have already got the certificate, please wait for 5 minutes. And if you have any questions, we will be answering in some time. Yeah. So yes, first of all, you have to scan this QR code or type this link. Click on this link. I have just sent the link on the chat box. Click on this link. Please click on this link. My teammate has sent just now. Please click on this link. Please click on this link and then After clicking on this link, you will see sign up with Google. You will see different email IDs. Click on any one personal email ID of yours. You will see next page will be first name, your family name or last name, your country, which will be India, and your location, which will be Telangana or Delhi, or the state name, whichever state you are from, please enter that state in location. And then directly go to terms and conditions. We have shared the link. Yeah, those who are not able to do it, check the chat box. We have already sent the link in the chat box. Click on that link. Yes, Akshay, you can understand now. I am repeating all the steps. After scanning the QR code, click on sign up with Google or click on the link that we shared in the chat box. Okay, sure, Rahul. And then type your first name, last name, your country and location. Go directly to terms and conditions section. After that, go to terms and conditions, click on all three checkbox and click on submit, blue button, submit. After clicking on submit, you will see an option English, right? Just click on continue. Do not do anything. And then click on select your area of interest. You don't need to select anything. For now, just click on next. Just click on next. And then it will show your profile. Click on blue button, done. Click on blue button, done. Next, after doing this, it will show you a page, getting started page. Click on cancel. Do not click on begin tutorial. Please do not click on begin tutorial. Just click on cancel. Click on cancel and then click skip tutorial. After clicking on skip tutorials, it will show you Agile meets design thinking, this course. After clicking on skip tutorial, it will show you your home page. How many of you have got the home page now? How many of you have, we have sent the link in the group as well. How many of you have got the home page now? May I please know? Got it. Great. Okay. Thanks, Harshit. Thanks, Shivam, Vaishnavi for being active. Thanks, Dia. Thank you, Vaibhav. We'll share other details as well in some time. Yeah, please wait. Yes. Okay, great. Now click on search. And those who are using laptop, it will show you an option. What will you learn today? And search option. Click on that. People who are doing it from your mobile phone, just click on search. Click on search option. Please click on search option. After clicking on search option, please type Agile design. Type the Agile design. You need to type these two words. Search, beta, search option. Bishop, search option. See, you can see on your home page, bottom right side, search option. It will be in light gray color. Yes. Click on search option. Click on, then type. You have to type two words. What are those two words? Agile design. Please type those two keywords. AGILE, Agile design. You will get the first learning activity. You just have to click on that and open that activity. Yes, Agile design. And then you will get this activity. Agile meets design thinking by Coursera, 9 hours activity on this platform. Please click on that. After clicking on that, you will see mark complete option, right? Just click on mark complete. This is a sample activity, so it is enabled for now. Click on mark complete. After clicking on mark complete, you will see a duration box, dialog box, duration dialog box. Don't do anything. Just click on submit. Please click on submit. After that, you will see 3 dots on the top, right top on your learning activity page. Just click on that and you will see a drop down menu. And those of you who are doing it from your laptops, you will see the option actions in your learning activity page. Action, just click on that. Other people who are doing it from your mobile phone, please click on these three dots. If you're not able to find it, look at my screen and you will be able to figure it out on your mobile phone. Three dots. After seeing that, those three dots, click on that and click on the drop down menu. You will see view completion certificate, first option. Click on that and you will get a certificate like this. Now, how many of you have got this certificate? Okay, thanks, Ankit, Adesh, Pavani, thank you so much. Desha, all of you look very excited. Okay, great. Okay, thank you, Samresh, thank you, Devika, thank you, Anchal, thank you, Sakshi, thank you, Hemant, thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. Thanks, Omkar, Vishal, Swati, all of you. Thank you so much. Okay, great. Okay. Yeah, so those of you who have missed it, we will share all these steps to follow in some time in PDF form. Just please, for now, just be attentive, follow all the steps that I'm telling you right now and be patient. Yeah, I'll also share in some time what the attendance details. This is for today's attendance form. Please listen to me carefully. Only the team leaders of every team need to scan this QR code and fill this attendance form. It is not for all the participants. It is only for those people, it is only for the team leaders, or we can say spokes of every team. Every spoke has to fill this attendance form. Not all the participants, just the spoke, or we can say the team leaders. Please fill this attendance form. This will also ask you your college name. Please fill the full college name, not the short form. For example, if you are from MICAS, don't fill MICAS, right? Mysore Institute of Commerce and Arts. Similarly, if you are from any other university, fill the full name of that place or college or institution. Do not fill the short form. Like if you are from Vasant Patil College, do not fill VPP. Write the full name of your college. Fill this attendance form. And yes, we will use these details. Also write which all teammates attended today's session. Please give us, mention only the names of those teammates who have attended today's session, the two names. Fill this form. And fill it very carefully. These details will also be used for issuing the internship certificates and for later on the placement assistance, like I already shared with you all, the opportunities and monitoring and assessment. Yes, we are almost done, students. We'll be addressing all your queries in just a few minutes. So please be patient. Kindly mark your attendance. If you have marked it, you can write it here. Triple IT Hyderabad. In that case, Himanshu, write the full name. Only the spoke have to fill this, not the entire team. And ma'am, what if spoke is absent? Only in that case, if your spoke is absent, only in that case, any other team member can fill on behalf of the entire team. Not okay. Just one team will fill only one attendance form. So if your spoke is absent, then the other team member can fill on behalf of your spoke. Can we change our spoke? You cannot change your spoke now. Very sorry. Can we repeat again, ma'am? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. So how many of you have filled the attendance form? If you have filled, please just, yeah, we are also sharing the link here as well. If you're not able to scan the QR code. I just request my team to share the link of the attendance form. Only the spokes. Mahima, Momita Chaudhary, just wait a minute, Momita. We'll just share other details as well. Please fill this attendance form. It is in the chat box. Fill it. If you have filled it, let us know. Pratmesh has filled it. Very good. What we will write in the city? You can write your city name. If it's Pune, you can write Pune. If it's Hyderabad, you can write Hyderabad. If it's Delhi, you can write Delhi. Whatever is your city name, you can write. What if team members are from different colleges? Okay, in that case, you can write the name of both the colleges or 3 colleges. Can we add team members? Have they attended today's session? Yes, you have to write the city name of your college. Yes. I got my certificate. Okay. Okay, please check the chat box for the attendance link. Thank you so much. Now let me explain other details. Meanwhile, you can just fill your attendance forms. So these are 2 links that I have shared today, students. The first one, all the interns, the first one is for self-registration link. The second one is for attendance link. The second one is the attendance link. And now let us, all of you, we'll just wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, you can ask your queries in the chat box. Those who are done with the attendance, I will start addressing your queries. And yeah, I can also show you the walkthrough of the learning plan that you need to do. I request my team also to share the link of the learning plan in the chat box. Yeah, thanks, Ria. So this is the learning plan, which we have already shared with you. Yes, attendance is compulsory, Akshay. It is compulsory. That is one of the criteria for, like I shared, final internship certificate, for placement in opportunities and internship opportunities, and for mentoring opportunities. So yes. WhatsApp group link. Okay, great. We have shared the learning plan in the chat box. Let me know if, yeah, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of the learning plan. Give me a minute. Yes. Yes, just a minute. You can ask your queries as well in the meantime. Yes. So, just a minute. Yes. So, this is your learning plan. Okay. This is your learning plan. Now, I mentioned, right, stage 1. What was stage 1? Your concept note, which I will share in some time, a sample concept note in the group, on the email. And also, this is compulsory for all the interns. Every intern has to finish this on the platform. This is compulsory. And based on the completion of these courses, and also, and it is not a huge task, we are giving you time of 2 weeks. Okay, so you can finish this, and then every spoke in the 3rd week has to submit us the final progress report. That, and we will share links separately where you have to submit. We will share that. You just need to be keep a check on WhatsApp group and email where what you have to do, what steps to be followed. So what are you going to do after today's session? You are going to complete these courses after today's session. What are those courses? Let me just give you an overview. So this is, if you will click on this link, please make a note of this link. It is also shared in the WhatsApp groups. It is also shared over your email. And we have also shared here as well. Make a note of this. Just save it somewhere. After clicking on this link, okay? After clicking on this link, you will go to this page. It will show you this. Complete 3. Out of these 3, you have to complete 1. Like I have finished this 1 activity. All of you can finish these activities, okay? All of you can finish these activities, all these 3 activities in this week. And then you can finish these out of these 4 activities: art of data visualization, data visualization with Python, Hadoop, Spark. Finish any two activities, which anything of your choice out of these 4. It is written here also. Can you all see? Complete any 2 out of the 4. So just finish those 2 activities. Already completed. Okay, thank you so much. After that, last section where you have to complete only 1 activity out of these 3. Again, anything of your interest, which is create a great professional resume, or enterprise design thinking practitioner, or design thinking co-creator. So it is not a huge task that we are giving to every intern. Okay, it is just for your learning. It will also open up, greater prospects. Like it will help you to upskill yourself and be prepared for other future prospects, like other internship opportunities, other job opportunities in this field. So make use of it, make the most of it. So yes, finish this activity. We will track at the back end. In the 3rd week, every spoke, every team leader, please encourage your teammates to finish this on the platform. Okay, 2 weeks are more than enough. You can do this. And yes, finish this. Apart from this, submit a concept note as well. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now, let me address all your queries.
Yes, let's move to the Q&A section. So students, if you are having any sort of doubt, please drop your questions over the chat box. Anjali will resolve your query. By the time, Anjali, I guess there are some common queries which, let me just, So one of the students have asked that, is there any foundation to use the computer language in the project?
Any foundation? No, there is no foundation. You can use any computer language and you can work on any application or software. It has to be linked to data analytics, but you can use any language. We are not going to restrict you only to one language. You can use SQL, you can use any other program language and use it and present it to us in your PPTs, through your screenshots. Yeah.
Okay, so most of the students have this query about the concept note. So if you could please share the sample of the concept note,
yes,
if you have. Yeah.
Yes, I do have. I'll just share it with you all. Yeah. So yes, so let me share a concept note sample. All the teammates, please pay attention, and Spoke has to submit this sample note on behalf of their team. One team has to submit only one sample note. So yes, you can work as a team and you can learn other skills as well, like team coordination, team management, by working in as a team on these assignments. So just a minute. Yes. Yes. Can all of you see my screen?
Yes, Anjali.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so now suppose this is a concept note. We will also share this sample in the group as well. For example, this is a sample on agricultural production optimization engine. Okay, so here, what are they going to do? See, first of all, let me show you. It is a 1-pager or 2-pager concept note. So every team has to submit like this. Every team, 1-pager or 2-pager concept note, or we can say project note. You have to write, of course, first your title. What is your title, right? What are you going to do? Your title of the project. Then what are you trying to do in this through this idea? For example, here I am trying to optimize the productivity of crops by understanding climate condition and soil condition. For example, if it's soil, what is the amount of nitrogen? What is the amount of phosphorus? What is the amount of potassium? If I am trying to understand climate, what kind of temperature is there in this region, humidity, pH, and rainfall. So I can understand this. Okay. Now, how can you describe your problem statement? So you can describe your problem statement that I am trying to build a predictive mode using machine learning. What am I trying to do? Suggest most suitable crops, right? By using data, by understanding soil and climate conditions. Then what is the objective of this project? Your objective is obviously to optimize the productivity. That means to increase the crop production, right? By understanding soil and land factor, and also weather unpredictability. Obviously, most of you will use data source from Kaggle, right? Data sets. So you can mention that. What are the software you are going to use? Some of you might be using various other softwares, Oracle, some of you will use Python, some of you will use Jupyter Notebook. What are the libraries you will use? NumPy, Pandas, all these. And after that, what are the algorithms? You will learn about this as well, students. So please do not panic if you come from a non-technical background. Okay. So you will learn in masterclass 1 as well. What are those important algorithms in the upcoming master classes? So for now, just submit these basic things, just a rough idea of what you are going to do and how you are going to present your PPT, what kind of idea you are going to work on. It could be any human-centric problem, any real-life issue. So yeah, all the team can just, one team can brainstorm and then come to one topic, and then you can make a concept note like this. You can take the responsibilities and divide the sections between your teams, like two section, like one person will write maybe concept of the project, or it depends on you how you want to do it. After that, data sets. You are going to present your data in bar graphs and line charts. You have to just put this the screenshot as well in the PPT. And then methodology. For example, you are using machine learning. You will use data set parameters of some inputs, like what is the soil content, how is the climate, and all of that. And then you are trying to describe a relationship between the input and also then and provide a solution, right? Predict and then provide a solution. If there is any inconsistent data, you are also cleaning that data. That is your methodology. What will be the outcome? Definitely to help optimize land for maximum crop productivity. So that is a little bit about the sample. I hope all of you have got some clarity. There are few sections. First is topic, then your concept, then the problem statement. This is like rough, in Hindi we say mota mota, right? A rough idea of this. And then we have the objective, and then we have data source. Then you have data analytics, or what software you are going to use, and data sets, and then methodology. Yes. And definitely last is outcome. So we will share this sample with you all. All of you can just, learn from this and then implement your own thing. Yeah. So is that clear to all of you?
Thank you so much, Anjali, for explaining the sample note in detail. I hope that it must have resolved the queries related to the concept note. So one of the query which is most common is, will be provided with any project topic, or we have to take the project topic by our own? Is the concept note should be done by each team member or by the team as a whole?
Yes. So you can take any topic, and not every member has to submit. For example, I am the team leader. Okay. And in my team, there are 5 members. So we don't need to submit separately. One team, all 5 members have to submit just one concept note. Okay. Not individually. It will be one concept note, but every team has to submit. That is compulsory. Okay. Team wise. It is not person wise, not per head. It is team wise. And topic is anything of your choice, whatever you want to work on. Yeah.
Thank you, Anjali. Okay, so does a mentor and mentee meet is for the whole team or for the individual?
Yes, that will be for the whole team, for all the individuals. That will be for the entire team.
Next question, what will be the criteria for the final pitch that team will be selected?
Yes. So first of all, obviously, every team member has to finish these courses. Every team has to submit the deliverables. And then later on, after doing all of this, in the end, you have to attend all the master classes. In the end, however you will perform, your idea,
the concept of your idea, and then what are the softwares you used, how did you present your idea to the team and to the judges, then we will select the final team which will perform well. Yeah.
Thank you, Anjali. Students, you can please drop your queries if you have. We are here to address the same. Students are asking Anjali that what is the deadline and when we have to submit the concept note.
Yes, so you have to submit the concept note in the 3rd week. You can start working now itself. Okay, tell all your team to start working, and also, but at the same time, priorities first, do all the courses simultaneously. You can start working in the maybe from next masterclass as well, masterclass 1. You have to submit in the 3rd week. Yes, you can select any topic. Any other question, Shikha?
I guess most of the basic queries we have covered.
Okay.
So
one of the lot of people here have asked if they can have more team members. If you want to add more team members, you can add, but we cannot remove them now because we have almost done everything from our end. If you want to add new person, you can add. No, you cannot. It's already finalized. We have already almost finalized the data and everything. Our team has already worked hard on the entire data, so we cannot make them now do everything again. So you can just, if you want to add new members, you can do that. Yes, we will share the recording as well. But attendance is compulsory for all the sessions. Okay, I think we will share the submission link as well for the deliverable. You start working on it. We have shared the learning plan link and also the idea how to do the concept note. Start working on it. We will share the link for the deliverable where to submit in some days. Deliverables are concept note and progress report of every team that they have done all the courses. And later on the final PPT. Those are deliverables. 3 things. All right. Thank you so much, everyone.
okay, Anjali, it's time from your end.
Yeah, anything, Shikha, that needs to be addressed, because I see most of the queries very common. Like
Yes, for sure. So yeah. So first of all, thank you so much, Anjali, for conducting such a wonderful and detailed step-by-step orientation session. I hope students, you must have thoroughly enjoyed the session as much as we have, and hope this session brought us some sort of clarity and resolved your queries related to internship program. But in case if you are facing queries related to the camp, you can write us on skillsbuild@csrbox.org. I request one of my team members to please put the link for the same. And we will be sharing the recordings of the session and credentials of the internship program over your respective WhatsApp groups as well as emails. And students, please be active on your respective mails and WhatsApp group. Just know one thing, that you are getting an access as well as association with a brand like IBM. So please make most out of it. And if you will complete the entire internship program, just think that when you will write the same thing on your respective resumes, the batches you have earned, the mentors, the guidance which you have received from the IBM professional, how much edge that will create. right? How much edge that will create of the resume over the other candidates. So yeah, all the very best. We will be meeting you in the next masterclass, which is masterclass 1, and we will be sharing all the credentials to you of this orientation session, the learning plans, concept notes, everything over to your respective WhatsApp groups. So yeah, thank you so much, students, and thank you so much, Anjali, for joining in today.
Thank you, Shikha. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, students, you can leave. The session is over. Thank you. The next masterclass date, we will be sharing with you over the mail. And the links will also be circulated for the same. Thank you. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.